What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I've given a garage update, and I think that it is about time to do that because there's been quite a few changes to the garage and what's going on. So let me first talk. If you've seen my picture on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you're following me there, because I had posted a new daily for myself, and that daily is I picked up a 2018 Ford Explorer Sport in a ruby red color, and I'll show you that in just a minute. It's a great vehicle. Love it. It's been really good. I love the size of it. It's got so much room in it. Very comfortable and just great to drive as a good daily. Now that brings me to the Mustang. So today I'm actually selling the Mustang back to John Kennedy Ford. I'll be heading there this afternoon and selling that. So that leaves you with the question of what comes next. Well, you may be surprised, but next is another Mustang. So I'm actually getting rid of the 2024 Mustang and picking up a 2019 EcoBoost Mustang. Now the 2019, so the big thing here is obviously the 2024, I've been paying a pretty hefty payment on that car. And as much as I love that car, and it's been fun and a great car to drive, it's just, you know, the payments on it are getting out of control, and I don't want to keep paying that kind of money on that car. Now I still want a Mustang because I love them and they're so much fun to drive and just great cars overall. And so what I decided to do was go online, look around, see what deals I could find, and I found a very nice 2019 EcoBoost with 40,000 miles on it that I can actually pay cash for and no longer have a car payment. So I'm very excited about not having any more car payments, but still having an awesome vehicle that I can drive daily, or, you know, on the weekends and cruise to different car shows and events. But first, let me show you the Explorer, the 2018. I think you guys are gonna like it. All right, guys, so here we go. This is the 2019 Ford Explorer Sport. The Sport's actually really nice. I love the ruby red color. That color has just totally grown on me. I've cleaned this up pretty good, put a ceramic coating on it, so it shines real good, looks real good. It's got like the grayed out kind of a carbon gray grille to the front. It's also got some carbon gray on the side mirrors, so you could see that on here, which looks good. It's also got like kind of that carbon gray wheels, and those are 20-inch wheels on this vehicle. They look really good. I love those. And we got some Toyo all-terrain tires on here, so this thing is ready for winter, ready to go off-road, ready for whatever I throw at it, basically. What I love about this car, though, is how comfortable it is. So inside, it has the leather and suede seating, heated seats, very nice, well appointed. It's got, you know, the Apple CarPlay built in here, dual zone climate. It also has the dual panel moonroof, if you could see that, which is very nice. Same with the back seats with the leather and suede, and then it does have a third row, which I generally don't use a third row or need a third row, so I do keep that down. And what I end up doing is I put a nice cargo tray inside the back, which gives me a ton of storage space, ton of utility, a lot of room in this. Really nice. Absolutely perfect daily driver. It's also got the power lift gate, which is nice. So this is an XLT Sport. It's also got the gray right here. You can see that metallic kind of gray looks good on there. And that's the daily. So like I said, today selling the Mustang, picking up a 2019 Mustang, which when that arrives, which is supposed to be also later today, I will certainly include that in the video, so stay tuned. Well, here we go, guys. This is it. This is the last time we now say goodbye to the 2024 Mustang. Here we go, guys. I am out here at John Kennedy Ford with the 2024 Mustang for the last time. We're about to go sell it. Here we go, guys. The new delivery. The 2019 Mustang in the ruby red color. This is the one that's coming. This is going to be the new cruiser. No worries, thanks. So here we go, guys. The car is here and at home. It is feeling good. Just took it for a quick little test drive. Definitely needs to get cleaned up. I got to do a little polish work on it still to get it cleaned before I ceramic it, but so far so good. First impressions are great. Definitely has new tires on it, which I do like that they did that. Straight from Carvana, they took care of this, did a full service on it. So I'm gonna do a little bit more of a ride in it and see how things go. But right now I got the 2019 EcoBoost Mustang in the ruby red right here. So there you go, guys. I got the ruby red Mustang sitting here in the garage. I definitely have a little bit of work to do on it, obviously being a used Mustang. It does have some chips and some scrapes and scratches that I'm gonna have to work on, so I will get out the polisher and I'll buff a lot of that out and clean it up and then put a nice ceramic coat on it once I'm actually ready to do that. I'll clay bar it, do all that, make it look really, really good. Other than that though, car runs great, drives great. Had a lot of fun, took it out to Valley Forge Park, took some cool photos. You'll see those also on my Instagram, so make sure you go check those out. And until next time, have a good day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.